picked mechanical engineering just because of the broadness of the program. They allow you to do a lot of different things with it.
And mechanical engineering had a lot of different opportunities that I could choose where I wanted to go with it throughout college.
I think what stood out to me the most is the amount of resources that are available to you.
The College of Engineering has done a really great job in providing me opportunities to grow my future career, whether that's through the career fair that we have here in the College of Engineering or just different support to get internships and jobs outside of college.
I would say my favorite part about mechanical engineering here at K-State is the faculty and staff.
Mechanical engineering really wants you to experience college, to be a college student, not just to do good in their class or do good in their tests, but to do good in the real world.
I've gotten to know a lot of my classmates and have made really good connections that I know I'll carry on outside of college and into my future career.